Hey everyone, welcome to Weller's channel. Today I'll show how to fix the couldn't verify file integrity error on iPhone. This error often pops up when downloading certain apps. First, go to Settings, Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions, and enable it. Also make sure Safari is enabled here. Next, go to Settings, then Safari. Oops, my bad. Let's head to Safari. Scroll to the bottom to Advanced. Then tap on Website Data. Now hit Remove All Website Data. There. Next, tap More. Tap here. Scroll down and tap Clear All and reset all settings. That's it. This was Weller. Like and subscribe to the channel. Good night, good luck, and goodbye everyone.